Today on Impossibly Kosher, pizza dough balls. Start off by adding 900 ml of room temperature water into a large bowl. You can add it into a mixing bowl if you prefer to use your mixer and it will come out just as good. Next, add in a tablespoon of honey or sugar into your water. Honey is optional, but I find it gives the crust a really delicious taste. Now add in 30 grams of sea salt and mix well until the salt has been fully dissolved. Salt and yeast don't really react well together, so what you're going to want to do is add 10% of your flour into the water to act as a buffer. This recipe has a total of 1.5 kilograms of flour, so we're going to add in 150 grams and mix it well. Add in your yeast and mix it again. I'm using about 1.5 to 2 grams of instant yeast, but if you have active dry yeast, not to worry, just add in 3 grams and you're good to go. Start adding the rest of the flour while mixing it in. It's best to incorporate the flour slowly instead of all at once. Once the consistency of your dough is less sticky, put it onto the counter with the remaining flour that is needed and start kneading it in. Make sure to get all the flour that is on the working table incorporated and well kneaded into the dough. Keep going until you start to feel the dough is no longer sticky or dry and has a smooth feel to it. A great way to test if the dough is ready is to roll it into a ball and press on it. If it has an elastic spring back, you're ready for the next step. Now oil well a clean bowl and add your dough inside. Cover it with a damp cloth so the dough won't dehydrate, and now leave it for 2 hours. Once the 2 hours has passed, flour your table well, add the dough onto the table, and now we're going to make our dough balls. Each dough ball should be around 220 to 250 grams in size. To shape a dough ball, simply take the dough, with one hand folding edges in, the other hand simply guides the way. Rotate and repeat about 4 times. Then pinch the base, and there you have it, your perfect dough ball. Wrap in plastic wrap any dough balls you won't be using right away and put them carefully into the freezer. Take a tray and flour it well. Add the dough balls onto the tray, add some flour on top, cover with plastic wrap so that no air comes inside, but not too tight. And now it's time to let them rest for at least 24 hours in the room temperature area. There you have it, incredible homemade pizza dough balls. If you liked that video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and check out our video on how to make your pizza on the barbecue. Or check out some of our other Impossibly Kosher videos.